My dear brothers and sisters in Jesus Christ, there is a lost and found story in the Bible. This story is regarding Jesus Christ. Jesus, as a boy, he was lost in the temple and he was found in the temple. We find this passage in the Gospel of Luke, chapter 2, verse 41 onwards. And specifically, the verse 46, we read, "After 3 days, they found him in the temple, sitting among the teachers, listening to them and asking them questions." As we understand from this passage, Jesus, as a boy, he went to the city of Jerusalem with his parents and other relatives. When they returned, Jesus did not join them, the boy Jesus, but they did not know that. After 1 day of travel, they realized that boy Jesus was not there. So Joseph and Mary, they are returning to Jerusalem. They finally found him in the temple. They were surprised and they were very happy also because they could find Jesus there in the temple. My dear brothers and sisters, from this passage, we come to understand that according to the custom, they went to Jerusalem. That means they used to go to Jerusalem every year. Their life was oriented towards the temple of God, the house of God. And they were bringing up Jesus with that orientation. We know Jesus was God and man, and we look at Jesus from the perspective of his humanity. He was like any one of us when he was on earth. So his parents were bringing up him with an orientation towards the house of God. So what was the result? When he was lost in the city, he immediately realized that there is a house for me, there is a place for me. So he is going to the temple, he is remaining there. This is a great feeling of security that God is giving to each and every one of us. If we orient our life towards the house of God, God will tell us, this is your house, this is your place. You can come to this place anytime. So the boy Jesus, he immediately realized that this is my place, this is my house. So he was not lost, my dear brothers and sisters. He was there, safe in the temple. My dear brothers and sisters, let us focus our life to the house of God. When we focus our life on the house of God, then we have a great feeling of security. The security that I have a place, I have a house. Even if my dear and near ones are not with me, there is a place for me. There is God for me. Even when I am going through a troubled time, God is with me to protect me. So with that feeling, we will be able to overcome every difficulty in our life. My dear brothers and sisters, let us focus our life on the house of God and let us take the feeling of security that God is providing to each and every one of us. May God bless you.